Hi there, my name is Marlo Karating, and I am a dedicated operations coordinator and system support analyst based in Pampanga, Philippines. I am a virtual champion who takes immense pride in my roots, and I am eager to bring my world-class support experience to your team. With over 8 years of experience supporting major Australian carriers like Qantas and Jetstar, I have developed a zero-error mindset and high-level organizational discipline required to manage operations for multiple direct reports simultaneously. I am an expert in navigating complex technical environments. I live and breathe Excel for data validation and have extensive experience managing specialized systems and knowledge bases. My background includes operations management. I am highly proactive in documenting SOPs and identifying operational gaps before they become issues. Task mastery. I am proficient in Rocade and iFlight, and I have a proven track record in CRM hygiene and social media content coordination. Entrepreneurial drive. As a founder of my own artisanal bakery, Kroki Muki, I understand the importance of taking full ownership of tasks and working with minimal supervision. I currently maintain a professional home office with full power and internet redundancies to ensure 100% reliability, specifically during AU or PH business hours. I am a high ownership operator who moves quickly on assigned tasks without needing to be asked twice. Regarding the compensation, while I see the advertised range, I am very eager to partner with a team that shares my values of putting the well-being of Filipinos first. Therefore, I am fully willing to accept a rate of $10 per hour to demonstrate my value and long-term commitment to your vision. Thank you for your time and for considering my application. I am ready to help your entrepreneurs win their business battles and take back control of their lives. I look forward to hearing from you soon.